Hi everyone, let's see what slide we are going to create. See, the effects are not nice and it's not beautiful. So how we can make it look better? It's easy. The easiest way is always the best way. You just simply create one rectangle like this, then set the shape outline to none and color it blue, for example, and then reduce it, increase its size. Okay, then create another one, but let me change its color so I can understand where it's placed. Then create another one, then just very simple, don't push anything too hard. Select this, color it the color you want. Let's go with, for example, green, and this one is going with little orange, I think, or brown, I don't know. Then just simply select all the shapes and reduce the transparency to create more beautiful colors. Then copy the text, not cutting that. It's group, let me ungroup it. Oh, sorry, this is just the text and the text. Let me increase it in size. Then the second text also. And let me copy this thing. This is just a simple copy and paste, nothing special about that. Okay, the text and the last one. Okay, not there. This is it. And delete this. The text. And paste it here. Okay, now we have all of them. We need to set them to the size 40, all of them. Okay, we have it. Now the color is up to you. But what we do now, for the next slide, what we do, we copy this, and here we bring it in. Just simply, and for the final slide, we bring it in like this. And set the transition of the slide to morph. Your view is going to look more beautiful than the past. You see, it's pretty nice. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.